everybody, welcome back to Glenn and Grace's Reviews and Recipes. Today we are going to do a really good, really easy recipe, and it's just so basic. We're going to do salmon, we're going to do fresh Atlantic salmon, and all we're going to do is just top it with this spinach, artichoke, and Parmesan dip spread. Now I know what you're thinking, maybe you're not a spinach lover, but I wasn't either, and I'm still not, except for this dip. This is absolutely fabulous. We actually got this recipe from a friend, and it is so good. I mean, normally you can make salmon, bake it with just about anything. You do a compound butter, lemon butter. You can do a dry rub seasoning. There's all kinds of different ways to cook salmon, but this is so quick, so easy. 400 degrees, 18 minutes, done, and you have an absolutely delicious dinner. If you haven't tried this dip over at Costco, you can put it on chicken, you can put it on salmon, so many different things. Give it a shot, and we're going to go ahead and show you how to put it together. It's real easy and be ready in just 1 second. Okay, we have our salmon out, and one of the things that I want to bring up to you is if you buy your salmon from the store, depending on when you get it, sometimes they might be just getting ready to get rid of it. So when you take it out, if it feels a little bit slimy, just rinse it off real quick, because that slime is actually bacteria. You don't want to be eating that if you don't have to. It'll generally die in the oven anyway, but just to be safe, just go ahead and rinse that off. Now, real quick, before we go ahead and put the spinach, artichoke, and Parmesan dip spread on here, we just seasoned it real quick with a little bit of salt, and I put some dill on there as well. You don't have to do that. That's completely optional. This could stand alone just fine with the spinach, artichoke, and Parmesan dip. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put this on in just 1 second. Okay, everybody, this is what it looks like when the spinach, artichoke, and Parmesan dip is on. We're going to check, see if our oven is 400. It's almost at 400. And then again, we're going to put this in for 18 minutes, almost exactly. When you pull it out, let it rest for a minute, and then just go ahead and serve it up. You guys are going to love it. Please leave a comment below if you try it out and you like it. Just let us know what you think. If there's any other dishes you want us to go ahead and make other than the ones we're putting up, just let us know, and we'll be happy to try to do that for you. Or any places you'd like to have us review. All right, guys, let me put this in the oven, and we'll get back to you in just 1 second. Okay, guys, this is the finished product. Here we go. Again, it was 400 degrees for 18 minutes, almost to the T. And as you can see, look in there. There's no pink or anything like that. It's completely cooked. And it is absolutely delicious. So give this one a try and let us know what you think. All right, guys, have a great day. Take care. Happy Easter.